So, I've already tried this twice. I hit the daily post limit because this video right here, you guys go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description of this. This video right here is an hour long. So you had to do some verification steps. But if you were to go to upload, this is how you do it. I'm gonna show you how I did a backdoor to this also. It's another tip, trick, a little secret. So select, let's select the right one just in case it works because I already sent in the verification. Okay. Oh, so it doesn't work, right? Here's a little backdoor. If you had a video already pre-existing, you can use that video. So I will use that video and we'll see if I'm no guarantee it's gonna let me load it right now, but it's the same video. So I'm just going to use that one. Yeah, and we'll see what happens right now. That in there. Let's see if it gives me the same. It might chat. So just if it does, I don't know. I guess maybe we're scratching this video. Maybe we're not. Maybe we'll just wait a little bit and see if we can post it. Hey, it's looking good so far. Looking good so far. No issues found. No. See, this is the back door. I didn't know if it was going to work, but it seemingly did. And wait. Oh, and it posted. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Okay, so cool. So, all right. That's part one of what point of why we're doing this video. Okay, and so then let's go back. We're on our channel. Let's get out of studio and just go regular YouTube. Okay. That was amazing. See, backdoor worked. They said you needed to verify, and if you just wanted to post something before that verification happened, then this is a way to do that. Quite cleverly, I might add. Customize channel. Customize channel. You want to go to Home tab, Add section, Channel trailer. And boom, select the trailer. Featured for training. Okay. Video. See that. Okay, cool. Publish, always. Alright, now let's check it out. What? Sick, chat. Bam, and it takes you right to my actual video. And that is how you do it, chat. I hope that video was helpful and instructive for you guys. I appreciate you spending the time with me. And again, we just went over how to there we go, refresh it to show you how to bring a trailer on your home channel. On your home page. Sorry about that. So yeah, that's it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Alright guys, it's your boy Father. Peace.